Craving something warm, soft, and super comforting, but don't feel like turning on the oven? This vanilla pudding mug cake is creamy, fluffy, and ready in just a couple of minutes. The best part? You don't need any fancy tools or baking skills, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Let's get started. In a microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, tender structure. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, half a teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely, and 2 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix for that classic creamy flavor. Give everything a quick whisk so the pudding mix and baking powder are evenly distributed. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. This brings moisture and keeps the cake light. Add 2 tablespoons of oil or melted butter for richness, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that sweet, aromatic touch. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. Add 1 extra teaspoon milk to adjust the batter consistency. This keeps the cake light and moist. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. Pop your mug into the microwave and cook on medium-high power for about 60 seconds. While our cake rests, let's make a quick frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of softened butter. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip it all together until light, fluffy, and spreadable. Spread this frosting over your warm mug cake, then finish with a few white chocolate chips or sprinkles for that fun, extra indulgent touch. And there you go, a warm, creamy vanilla pudding mug cake that's fluffy, fast, and totally satisfying. The perfect single-serve treat whenever you need a quick, comforting dessert. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.